Hi sunshines, welcome back to our channel MADCURLS. I'm Taylor Ann.
And I'm Lorianne.
And welcome to another MADCURLS
Treatment Tuesday!
Treatment Tuesday, woo! Which is actually sponsored this week by Camille Rose Naturals. They have launched their lavender collection in stores, in Targets more specifically. Select Targets, it is now there. And to celebrate that, we are going to be doing the lavender collection.
Yes.
You're going to say something?
Starting in this video.
Yes.
With our Treatment Tuesday.
With our Treatment Tuesday. So there are 6 products in the line. There is a deep conditioner in this line. So we were like, let's do it for Treatment Tuesday. So do you want to show them the deep conditioner?
Okay, so here we go. Beautiful packaging.
Beautiful packaging. So cute.
Like, it was just like
Purple.
so easy to match. I was so excited to
Well,
use
lavender. Purple and lavender should be
this. Yeah. Well, and they're in the same family.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's just a beautiful color lavender. So lavender stimulating growth system, Quench Deep Conditioner, moisturizing hair mask.
Here it is.
Go.
And so that is what we are going to be putting in our hair today.
Yes.
So should we get started? If they want to hear more about the mask, why don't you just put it in our hair?
That's all the details about this. Then please keep watching.
Please keep watching. So first things first, water. So you guys know, for those of you who have been watching our channel, oh girl, oh my gosh,
And it begins.
that was literally like a waterfall. I don't know what that was. You guys know that we have Camille Rose Naturals videos on our channel. We love Camille Rose Naturals products, but we have never tried this lavender collection. They came out with it and we never tried it, so we are excited actually now for the opportunity to be able to try this line.
Yes.
Because we do like their products.
I'm already liking. I use a shampoo to begin.
Yeah.
Like look at like my cut.
I should
more
have
and more
brought that
sickening.
over.
More and more sickening with as the days go on.
Yeah, so this we can mention.
Yes.
So there is a cleanser in the line, the Fresh Cleanse. And it says detangling and moisturizing hair cleanser. So we both cleansed our hair with this in the shower. And Mom, you tried it first.
I did, and I loved it. It's clear, and it comes out thick, thicker than the serum. It comes out. Oh, let me see.
That was kind of a good way to describe it, kind of like a serum. But
You think so? I think it's a little bit thicker than a serum.
Okay.
To me, so it comes out and immediately you put it in your hair and immediately it goes to lather.
Yep.
But at the same time you're detangling, and I think it's saying that. I believe it's detangling, moisturizing hair cleanser. And it is everything that it says it is. It detangles, it moisturizes, and it cleans your hair. Like all three together at once. It detangles, it moisturizes, and it cleans your hair. And you have to like see it, feel it to believe it, because it simply does. Detangles. I'm getting just really excited about this new wave of these clarifying, because you know I'm a clarifying queen, and so I just love that, and I was excited to see that, excited for the clear one, as I say. And
sometimes when I see clarifying, I get nervous because I think of like stripping, but it definitely doesn't do that. I was enjoying. I just kept like running it through in the shower. Like I didn't want to rinse it out. I was having fun, like with like the slip in it. Like, so this is nice, and the smell is mild. So we were saying that not everybody can get the smell of lavender right. Sometimes it's super, super strong. And you were saying you like more sweet things. Yes. Which is why like you like Camille Rose, because like their stuff smells like cake and cookies, and it just smells really bakery-ish.
Yeah, everybody can't do sweets. Everybody can't do bakery. It has to be
just
a touch of this and just a touch of that. So in all honesty, you guys knew that we were aware of the line, but we all kind of, including you guys, were kind of like, I don't know, the lavender, everybody can't do lavender. And so I was afraid about the lavender until it would be in a store. And here we go for the launch in the store. So, but before that, now we get to see this, and it is it's the perfect way of doing lavender. It's very mellow. It's like the perfect.
Mild.
It reminds me, I said, of my grandmother's garden when I was a little girl, and the perfect color of lavender. It is like, it has like that blue undertone, kind of like the way this backdrop is, the way, well now it's wet, but the way my microfiber towel was. It's a very pretty, there's lavender like this color, okay? To me that's kind of like purplish, but then this blue is
this is
like
cool. This
hyacinth.
is like warm.
It's almost like hyacinth. It's just like a really pretty matchable color of lavender, and the smell is very, very mild. So if you're afraid that it's going to be overpowering or strong, it is not. It is not.
It's not. It's very pleasant. And this deep conditioner is pleasant as well. The smell of the deep conditioner, it's nice.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's nice. Yeah, so all these products have lavender oil in them. as well as like other like main ingredients. So this cleanser is, hold on, I'm sorry, I wrote the prices down. This is $11, the cleanser, and the deep conditioner is $18. It is did you show them the texture, like kind of like hold it up like in front, like, so it's thick.
It's thick.
It's pretty thick.
Yeah.
It's thick. And so I just did my first piece, and it has slid through my hair nicely.
What can we compare it to? I was going to say curly, but I don't think so. I think curly is a different kind of a texture. It's kind of, I'm trying to think what I can compare it to in the line.
All her conditioners and stuff are pretty thick.
It's very smooth.
Yeah.
It's very smooth.
It is smooth, and it has slip and glides through.
Yes, it does.
So they said with this deep conditioner that it says it invigorates your scalp. It says, let me see, treatment stimulates the hair and scalp with argan mint oil and aloe leaf juices.
Okay.
And then it says in an aromatic brew of real lavender oil.
Aromatic?
Aromatic? What did I say? Aromatic?
Is it aromatic?
Aromatic? Making words up now.
Making words up? Why not?
All right, sure. Aromatic. What is it? Aromatic?
Aromatic.
Aromatic. Okay. So skills.
Okay. So skills.
So skills.
All right.
That too. That too.
Like Janelle Stevens is the mixtress, where you're the wordsmith.
The wordsmith. All right. So
for deep conditioner, I like to comb them through to make sure they hit every layer. Especially because my cut is such a layered cut, I just want to make sure when I do my deep conditioning these days that it's hitting every layer. From the smallest to the stray pieces.
Okay. So you really don't need a lot per piece because it is thick, as we said, and a little
it's
goes
thick
a long
and smooth.
way. So I like lines that have like full lines like this. The lavender line gives you like a full wash day. So we're going to be doing the rest of the line in a different video, but we might as well just sit here and mention the rest of the products. So we said there's a cleanser, there is a deep conditioner. I know this is going to bug you when you see the playback.
Oh, I felt like something was there in my side eye, but I wasn't sure. Thank you.
So a cleanser, a deep conditioner, and then there is a leave-in, a gel, a refresher, and an edge control.
Yeah.
So it's like a nice full line.
I was excited about the edge control, but you told me don't get too excited because the first launch it won't be available.
Yeah, so it's not going to be available in Target stores. The edge control won't be in this launch.
And again, all the products smell the same. Sometimes when you have different lines, each one will take on like a different smell, whatever. They're all extremely similar, very, very mild. So, yeah, it smells like real to me. I'm going back again to the scent, like real lavender. Sometimes people try to do something so much that they overdo it, and this is not overdone.
You know what I'm getting is mint. And didn't I say
yes,
mint?
Yes, I did.
Argan mint. Something's like opening up my chest right now, like my sinuses a little bit.
As soon as you
smell
said
some
it.
mint.
As soon as you said
but
it.
I said mint. Argan mint oil.
Yeah. Yeah.
Couldn't figure it out, but there it is. And I even said it, so I don't know why I didn't pick it up, but there it is.
Yeah. No, I did hear you say that, but it didn't register until when you said it. As you were saying that, I was starting to smell that other smell.
Yeah. Which they say mint stimulates the scalp and hair growth and that kind of thing, so that's cool.
Are we getting better at what we're doing, or just because I'm starting to smell like when products say they have certain fragrances in there or certain essential oils, I'm smelling, as I call it these days, each note of that. So I started smelling the mint.
We're picking it up.
I'm picking it up.
Yeah.
I like that too. Like, you know that it is, because, you know, as consumers, like, we kind of like don't really know what's in there. We go by what they say, but when you start feeling and testing these things and smelling these things, it's like, okay.
Yeah. And I was getting ready to say something and I forget.
The packaging is cute.
Nice and purple. Oh, because they said they call it their Lavender Collection Stimulating Hair Growth System. So it's Lavender Stimulating Hair Growth System.
Okay.
So that's what this line is, you know, kind of supposed to do.
Stimulating hair growth. All right.
So you definitely get that with the mint. And I believe the cleanser has apple cider vinegar in it.
Yes, I did see that.
Yeah. Which again, all you really get is the smell of that the smell of the lavender smell, the pleasant smell, because sometimes when things have apple cider vinegar in it, you can smell that, and I am not a fan of the smell of apple cider vinegar at all.
I like products that have a purpose, but yet you don't necessarily have to smell all the different treatments that it's doing or what it's catering to, because it's not too strong. So it's a very pleasant experience.
Yeah.
As her products always are. You know, once I've tried and smelled the bakery from here, everyone can't do bakery. So, but this line can, as you guys know. I rave over this here, okay. So it's going through very easily. And I'm on my last piece. How are you doing?
I am on my last piece too.
Oh, okay.
Look at us keeping time. Going at the same pace. Okay. So I will read the instructions. One moment, because it does call for some heat. If you want to.
All right. Does it give you two different options, or
you know how like lines say like if you want something more intense?
Yes. Okay.
So this says leave on hair for 10 minutes, then cool rinse with detangling with a wide tooth comb if you need to. For extra conditioning, put on a plastic cap and apply heat for a minimum of 20 minutes. Okay. Just allow quench to melt away under a cool water rinse. So,
all right.
I love heat. I only deep condition with heat these days, so this winter. So that is what I'm choosing to do.
Yeah. I think that's always wise to do. Whether it calls for it or not, I found, and you guys have been saying to us, that you guys just do it as principle, and so I've been finding myself doing that, and what a difference it's made in deep conditioning.
Seriously.
Yeah.
It does make a difference. Yeah.
Seems like it penetrates more, so it's always a good thing to do. If you have like the one day, some people don't do it often, but if you have the one day to deep condition, you might as well make it worth your while. So your hair gets the improvements that you're after.
And I think I'm going to do the leggings hack, which I will insert the link for that video where I show you guys what the leggings hack is when I deep condition my hair. But that's what I'm going to do. Are you
going to probably sit under my hooded dryer?
Your hooded dryer to really get that heat going.
Yeah. And but pretty soon I'll be joining you after probably today to do that leggings hack, because you're going to show me how to do that.
Yeah.
So,
all right. Let me just clean around the rim. And this is a 8-ounce container. I don't think we said that. Okay. This is 8 ounces.
Very good.
All right. So plastic cap on. We are going to go use some heat, and we'll be back to give you guys our final thoughts and show you our results from this deep conditioner.
Yes.
All right. We'll see you guys soon.
All right.
Bye. And we are back. These are our results. We rinsed the product out of our hair.
Okay, look how shiny.
And yeah, my hair was so soft. Once I finished with the heat, it was so soft, and then I rinsed it out, and it was still like, oh, hair. It was still really soft.
Hair is very soft. Very defined, very shiny. Looks healthy.
Yeah, you were saying like
very defined.
Your hair was starting to like style itself.
Yeah, soft. Yeah, it already got a head start.
Yeah.
It's almost like a product that you can just do and let go, like if you want to do like no product in your hair or something.
It's a good base.
Yeah.
It's a great base.
Yes, I love that.
I like it. I can't wait to go on and like use the stylers.
Yes, and when it heats up, it smells even better. You know.
Yeah.
When I came out from underneath the hooded dryer, it just smelled such a rich fragrance of the pleasant smell of that lavender. I really like it.
Yeah.
So
the smell is good. I totally agree. I definitely smelled it.
I'm a hard critic, and I was concerned about the lavender, and nope. It gets my approval.
So, another good Camille Rose Naturals deep conditioner. We like this. We like this, and we like the cleanser. The two products we've tried so far.
Yeah. For the deep treatment video today.
Yeah. So you can buy them on her website, or now you can find them in select Target stores. And I highlight the word select because it's not in every single Target. They did put a post on their Instagram. Maybe I can try to insert a few of those pictures, but they showed the select Targets that it's in so far. And for example, there's none in Connecticut. So for someone living in Connecticut to say, okay, I watched MADCURLS video, let me run to Target, you're not going to find it there. It's not in any Targets in Connecticut. So make sure it's in a Target in your state before you head over to Target. Yeah. But if it is in your state, definitely go check it out. You can go in, you can see it, you can hold it, you can look at the packaging. I like being able to walk into a store and like touch a product and hold it and look at it.
Especially if it's arranged nicely and they have like the staff that does it right, you know.
Yeah.
Where it's just like everything is just nice. Everything's lined up. Like this would be lined up with all the tall things and this would be lined up with the short things and everything's easily accessible.
Yeah. You're into that kind of thing.
I really am. Yeah. I really am.
It can like throw off your whole shopping day.
Like, I go down the hair aisle. I'm like, okay, like what day is it? Because I know Thursdays they do it right, and then after that, and by the time the weekend is there, it's like everything's leaned over and horrible. So okay.
So thank you so much for watching this video.
Yep.
And we will see them in our next video.
We'll see you guys in our next video.
See you guys in our next video.
All right. Bye.